SAP Community Voice, April 23rd, 2026. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the SAP Community Voice. April has been such a wonderful month filled with new SAP product enhancements, SAP community news, and great opportunities to meet up. I just got to experience some beautiful and insightful days in Brazil, attending the Brasil CodeJam Roadshow, and I have great pictures of my experience there to share with you all later today. Plus, we have new features for SAP Integration Suite, valuable tips to support you on SAP architecture challenges, and insights on how to integrate SAP Cloud integration with SAP Translation Hub. Also, we have amazing news about our SAP Champions program and a brand new set of badges that you can earn through your engagement inside SAP Community. Pretty cool, right? Today's edition is just starting. We're going to start with our featured blog post, and remember that all the links to all these blog posts are in the description below. SAP expert Gautam Krishna introduces key information about the enhanced edition of SAP Integration Suite, highlighting the enabling agentic AI in enterprise environments, shifting the conversation from AI that knows to AI that acts. For Gautam, the real challenge is not building AI models, but establishing trust through integration, governance, and secure execution across systems. And with new capabilities like text-to-flow, script optimization, API anomaly detection, and API traffic prediction, this enhanced edition helps both accelerate development and strengthen operational reliability, combined with broader integration services and event-driven architecture. This release positions Integration Suite as the execution layer where AI agents can safely operate, scale, and deliver real business outcomes across SAP and non-SAP landscapes. SAP community member Walter Aguero Machado published a blog post with one of the most common challenges in SAP architecture, deciding between CAP and RAP. The main problem is that for most situations the answer is, it depends, which is technically correct, but ultimately unhelpful in real scenarios. Instead, he shares the practical framework he uses with clients, addressing often overlooked factors such as how team composition influences architecture decisions, what to do with large volumes of legacy Z objects, and why migrating from RAP to CAP is not a simple refactor. The post clearly explains where RAP genuinely fits, especially for tightly coupled S/4HANA extensions, and where CAP should be the default choice, particularly for multi-source, scalable, and cloud-native scenarios. He also emphasizes a key distinction. While both models can meet clean core requirements, CAP enforces it structurally, whereas RAP depends on discipline. This is a very honest and insightful read, and we highly recommend it for anyone involved in SAP architecture decisions. Jumping back to SAP Integration Suite, SAP expert Mara Elwanger highlights the latest updates for Q1 2026 with a strong focus on improving operations and enabling smoother event-driven integration. As we just mentioned before, one of the key highlights is the introduction of the enhanced edition. But beyond AI-driven operations and low-code tools, the update also brings improvements in event-driven integration, including better discovery and publishing of events in the Developer Hub, and support for migration to Advanced Event Mesh. In addition, new features such as enhanced monitoring, message queue filtering, parameterized mappings, and expanded connectivity options like customer managed cloud connectors aim to simplify troubleshooting and increase flexibility. With new adapters and expanded data center availability, this release delivers practical enhancements for integration of developers and operators working across complex landscapes. Talking about good tips, SAP champion Priyanka Chak published a practical blog post that demonstrates how to integrate SAP Cloud integration with SAP Translation Hub, using a real-world scenario where error messages are returned in multiple languages, such as English, Japanese. The post walks through the full setup, including creating the Translation Hub service instance, configuring OAuth credentials, and designing an iFlow to connect with the document translation API. It also explains how different translation models can be used, including SAP's neural machine translation and generative AI options for unsupported languages. With clear step-by-step guidance and testing examples, this is a useful prototype for developers looking to enable multilingual capabilities in their integration scenarios. Let's move on to community news. Champions. Today, we have one of the biggest announcements for this semester. We have welcomed 10 new SAP Champions. Welcome to all of you. Over the past weeks and months, we met many outstanding SAP experts, and it was inspiring to see the passion and generosity they all bring to the community. Choosing wasn't easy, and for those who didn't make it, I'm very sorry. We are still going to evaluate everybody all the time, as you are very important to us in the SAP community, especially those who want to be a champion and just didn't get in quite yet. Every candidate stood out, though, that made their consistently positive contributions, and that's how they got chosen. We selected experts from around the world who have been sharing knowledge through blog posts and helping others by answering questions in the platform, volunteering as event organizers, and creating impact across SAP community and other platforms. So it's not just one thing, it's a combination of everything that you do for us in the SAP community. So check out the new champions. You will soon learn more about them in the SAP community. They're over here somewhere, the list of them, and I hope that you can find them in the Leaders Finder group as well. We also wanted to extend a heartfelt thank you to everyone who nominated or was nominated for the program. Your enthusiasm and ongoing contributions through blog posts, answers, events, mentorship, and more make the SAP community stronger every day. Please keep sharing your expertise and supporting others. We truly value every nomination and look forward to seeing more great contributions and nominations in the future. Badges. And we have more news for our SAP community users with the introduction of the new Reply Progression badges. Plus, the icons will have new colors. This brand new badge celebrates your journey as an active community contributor. These badges are earned automatically when you reach specific thresholds of published replies on forum posts and discussions throughout the SAP community. How it works. It's simple. Number one, you just need to find content that interests you. Browse developer forums and discussions. Once you find that, step two, reply with your insights, your experiences, questions, or feedback. And step three, as your reply count grows, you'll automatically unlock badges at each milestone. Now for the colors, we need your help. We want each badge set to have its own unique color from the SAP brand color palette, but we are going to choose based on your votes. You just need to comment your choices in the comments section of our SAP Community Administrator, Cara Lee Deneen's blog post. The link is in the description below, so go check her blog post out and you can see all the available colors where you can give us your feedback. Of course, we always have lots of events on our SAP community calendar coming up, but I want to show you some of the great moments I collected from the community down in Brazil as part of the CodeJam Roadshow. Check it out. Hola, it's Barba Azul, and I am here in Recife, Brazil. The last 2 months have been amazing with tons of CodeJams on the LATAM Roadshow 2026, and Vitaly is finishing up his CodeJam right now, and I wanted to come in and just basically say, look, I've had a great time here. I'll throw some pictures up in this week's Community Voice to show you some of the great sights and sounds that I have seen while in person doing an SIT in Campinas, as well as some other CodeJams and meetups. It's been an amazing time, and I hope that all of you who watched us on the community, read our blog post, answer questions, can also enjoy coming out and meeting in person like this, because that's where some of the real magic happens. So enjoy the rest of the Community Voice, and from Barba Azul, I say ciao ciao. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the SAP community for more updates, stories, and learning opportunities.